Hi, my name is Keith and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about why it is critical that you need to control your emotions with trading forex. So why is this important? So by the way, if you're interested in learning like deeply on trading psychology, actually this is talked about in my forex course. So the link to my forex course, by the way, is premium, is in the description, so you can get to check it out. So I'm going to share about 5 reasons why you need to control your emotions when trading forex. So I'm not going to waste any of time, and the first one is it can eliminate overtrading. So what do I mean by this? So overtrading is where you are spending more time than you should. Overtrading can also mean using unrealistic lot sizes. Overtrading can also mean like entering multiple trades or orders. For example, instead of buying once, you end up buying 10 times. That is overtrading. So what causes overtrading? What causes overtrading is maybe trying to make a lot of money faster, or trying to make up the money you've lost, like the losses. That's what causes overtrading. So that's really bad. And the second reason why you need to control your emotions is when trading is that is that it lessens the risk exposure. So what do I mean by this? When you're trading under emotions, you'll be forced to enter. You won't just analyze the charts properly. You're going to be entering random trades as if you're gambling. So by controlling your emotions, you'll be able to take your time to analyze charts properly, go on higher time frames. You won't just look at the chart, place orders, and that's it. No. So when you need to control emotions, you'll be able to do that. And the third reason why you need to control your emotions is that it actually reduces revenge trading. So I think I've already talked about this, is whereby if you make losses and try to make up for the losses you've made, that is revenge, because you've lost money and you are trying to make what you've lost. So I think this is what I can share for now, although there's a lot which you need to learn about trading psychology. So everything is explained in my forex course. So enroll now and you get to learn at your own pace. And this content in my premium forex course is content that has been created for the past 5 months or so. So it's really good there. So bye for now. See you in my course. Bye for now.